Unlock the secrets of keep it buttoned up. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, focusing on the phrase, keep it buttoned up. Understanding idioms like this one can greatly enrich your language skills and help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and see some examples in action. The phrase, keep it buttoned up, is an idiom that means to keep something secret or not to share information. It originates from the literal action of buttoning up one's clothes to hide something or keep oneself covered. In the context of information or emotions, it suggests maintaining discretion or keeping one's thoughts and feelings private. Keep it buttoned up can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to professional settings. It's typically used as advice or a request to maintain confidentiality about sensitive or private information. Here are a few scenarios where you might use it. In the workplace, when discussing confidential company information that should not be shared outside the organization. Personal life, advising someone not to share personal or sensitive information with others. Emotional situations, suggesting someone control their emotions or keep their feelings to themselves in certain situations. To help you better understand how to use keep it buttoned up, let's look at some examples. 1. I know you're excited about the project, but until it's officially announced, you'll have to keep it buttoned up. 2. When it comes to personal matters, it's sometimes best to keep it buttoned up until you know you can trust the person you're talking to. 3. Even though he was fuming with anger, he kept it buttoned up during the meeting. And there you have it. Keep it buttoned up is a useful idiom to know, conveying the importance of discretion and privacy. Whether you're discussing sensitive topics or navigating emotional conversations, understanding when and how to use this phrase can be incredibly beneficial. We hope this video has illuminated another intriguing aspect of the English language for you. Keep practicing, and don't forget to keep it buttoned up when needed.